guys, it's me, Sandy, and if you guys don't know me, I'm Sandy, 16, from the Philippines. So guys, if you want to know me more, please do subscribe to this channel to be a part of Sandy's family. Yay! So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys what's inside my makeup kit. And also, I will be sharing with you guys, again, how I put my go-to makeup on my face. So, before I start this video, I just want to tell you guys that I am prone to any kind of eye cosmetics like eyeshadows, mascara, and eyeliners because my eyes are sensitive and my doctor prescribed to prevent myself from putting any kind of eye cosmetics. So that's all. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So this is my go-to makeup kit. So before I'll show you what's inside, I will give you a TMI first. So TMI, I am not bringing this kit everywhere or anywhere because first of all, as I've said, it's a go-to makeup. But I don't put makeup this like a daily. I really don't have this everyday school makeup routine as well because makeups are not allowed in our school and bringing of makeups are also prohibited as well. That's why. So I just use this go-to makeup kit every time I go outside. I do have this getaways, I have this travels. So before I put my makeup on, I do my skincare routine. So if you're wondering what is my skincare routine, I will be putting the link down below. So yeah. And after my skincare routine, I am putting this sunscreen. So this sunscreen is from Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 50 to protect my face from the sun. Yes. So I already put a sunscreen on my face. That's why I will not teach you how to put it. I also have this essential. So I have two kinds of facial mist, but I will use this. So this is from Lux Organics Rose Water Glow Mist with Witch Hazel S Extract. So yeah. And also I used in school this aloe vera ice. I can't remember what's the order of the name, but it has aloe, it has vera, and it has ice. That's what I can remember. So I'm not this expert about putting makeups because I just don't know. So yeah, guys, just please bear with me if I'm wrong, if I have this beliefs on how I put my makeup on. So yeah. So the first thing that I have here is, first I need this mirror. So I have a mirror here right now, but I also have this mirror as well. So what is the first thing that I'm going to do if I have my makeup? So I will be putting this. So I am putting a cheek tint first before I put my foundation on. So this is from Elle Cosmetics. This is a tinted lip balm. So I can use this for the cheeks as well. So I will be putting right now for my cheeks. I don't know, I just want to put cheek tint first so that if my makeup melts, it will have a aura like I have this natural rosy cheeks. Yes, I will be putting on my cheeks. So I'm done. The next thing I have here is this foundation. So this is from Max Factor Facefinity All Day Flawless 3-in-1 Foundation. As you can see, there. Bear with my dirty nails. So yeah, I will be putting on my foundation, and I have the beauty blender. The next thing I have here is my spoolie, and I have two eyebrow cosmetic. So the first thing that I have for my eyebrow is this Maybelline Fashion Brow. So it is a 3D brow and nose palette, as you can see. And also this detail gel eyeliner, ink liner, that I also put in my eyebrows as well. So I have this routine. I use two eyebrow cosmetics to achieve a good eyebrows. So again, I am not a makeup expert, because I really don't know. I'm not good at this. So yeah. So the first thing that I used to do is to spray my mist to the eyebrow applicator. Yes. And the first thing that I'm going to use is this Maybelline Fashion Brow. So first I need to brush my eyebrows first before I will use this one. So it has 3 shades because I think this is for the nose palette and this one is for the eyebrow. I just put a little for my eyebrows. So bear with my eyebrows, it's a bit long. It's naturally long, guys, so bear with me. So the next thing that I am going to use is this detail gel eyeliner. So this is 2-in-1. You can use it for your eyebrows and for your eyes. But because I am prone to eye makeups, I don't use this for my eyes. I use it for my eyebrows. So I'm done. I'm not yet done for my eyebrows. So to clean the excess of your eyebrows, I am using a baby wipes. This is from Cherub. So this is also my go-to wipes. I am using a wipes to clean the excess of my eyebrows. So I will be using a mirror to clean the excess of my eyebrows. Done! So the next thing that I have inside my pouch is my blush. So this is from L'Oreal Infallible Paints Blush Part and Tools. I don't know. So yeah, so I just broke this two shades because it fell down. Broke. So this is my brush, and I mixed this one in the shade for my cheeks, and I have my brush. So this is my brush. Done with my blush. So the next thing that I have inside my pouch is this. So this, I think it's not really the last thing that I do, but this is the last cosmetic that I have inside my pouch. So I don't use contours, but I love highlights. So I have this NYX Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Stick. So I don't know if I'm right with the pronunciation, NYX or NYX. So please bear with me and don't bash me about it. So yes, I am using this one for my highlights to make my highlights natural. So if I'm going to open this side, this is where the highlights is, and on the other side is the contour. So I don't put contours have this brush for my highlights because I do also have a highlight palette from L'Oreal. That's why I have my brush here. But by using this, I don't use a brush for this. I am just using my fingers. So yeah. So I'm done with putting highlights on. So the next thing that I do is to put my lippy. So I really love this lippy for go-to because it's kind of small and it makes my lips so natural for its shade. So this is from Al Cosmetics and it's from the shade Pinky Swear. The next thing that I'm going to do and the next thing that I have here inside my makeup kit is dress. Because as I've said, I'm not allowed to put any kind of eye cosmetics for my eyes. I will just use my eyelash curler to make my eyes, what do you call this? Cheerful. I don't know the term. I just forgot the term about what will I call it? But I just forgot what's the term. But it's just to make my eyes this glowy and cheerful for my face. So yeah. It's done, so I will give you a zoom in. I will make myself zoom to let you see my eyelashes. So my makeup routine is almost done. To make my routine done, I will be spraying my mist to get a good finish look and to make my makeup long lasting. I'm done, so I will be giving you a montage of my face of a good finished look. I don't know if it's good, but this is how I put my makeup on. So if I'm wrong, if I do have this wrong routines about how I put my makeup, please comment down below so that I will know, because I am really not this makeup expert, so please do bear with me. So let's get on to the montage. guys, that's all what's inside my go-to makeup kit. And that's the way I put my go-to makeup. So please do bear with me if I'm not that good on putting makeup. So yeah. So if you like this video, please do leave this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe my channel to know me more and to be a part of Sandy's family. Yay! So see you guys next week for another video. I love you guys. Bye!